Good morning, friends. I am going to bring you along on a what I eat in a day video today. I got up around 7:30, I think, and had my first cup of coffee, just a cup of coffee with cream. And yes, I did bring my Keurig along from home. It's vacation, so why make coffee more complicated than it needs to be? So have my Keurig, had my coffee with cream. And then just a little bit ago, I mixed up my athletic greens and I have them right here. I'm gonna be sipping on that. And then once I get hungry after that, I will have my first meal, and our food kind of is up in the air today. I don't really know exactly what we're gonna do. We're just on vacation, relaxing, playing it by ear. We are gonna try to go out to a big sand dune that's really close and climb that this afternoon. We might get dinner or lunch out after that. We might not, I don't know, we'll see. So this is just kind of a fly by the seat of my pants, what I eat in a day video, and I will just bring you along. We are just about to head out to the sand dune, but I needed to have a little bit of something to eat before we leave. Because I'm getting about ready for my first meal of the day, but I don't want to eat a huge meal since we might eat out after the sand dune. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to eat some of this salsa that I made yesterday. It has some yellow tomatoes and some red tomatoes that my mother-in-law grew in her garden, avocado, onion, lemon juice, and jalapenos, and then some spices. And I am just going to use some carnivore crisps as a dip. I'm going to try the bison, so I'll let you know how that is. And then a few chicken skins. With this kind of dip, I don't want to do a lot of chicken skin because that's a little bit too much fat. I expect this is probably on the leaner side, which makes a great chip. Let's see. Yeah, 1 gram of fat per serving. Just 2 grams of fat for the whole bag. Looks yummy. Mmm. That's really good. I don't eat a lot of bison, so I'm not, you know, super familiar with the difference between it and beef, but it was really tasty. It has really good flavor, like really like strong meaty flavor. It's really good. All right, I tried it, you know, by itself because you got to try it that way first. Now I'm going to do it with some of the dip. Yum. So good. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
To climb the sand dune?
Sand dune. Yes.
Levi, are you ready to climb the sand dune?
Yeah.
I think that's what Charity called it when she was little. Was
Yeah.
Sam Doom.
Sand.
So we tell the stories of Sam Doom. Definitely not as busy as yesterday. It was packed out yesterday.
That's how it can come.
Oh, wow. Yeah, no, we're not climbing the rock. We're climbing the Sam Doom.
That's a bad thing.
Oh, it's not bad. It's just dead.
So why does it have red eyes?
Because it's dead. Does everything with red eyes, does that just make them evil?
Yeah.
That's terrible. Checking out the tide pools. Did you see this starfish?
Starfish? We walked right past it.
You walked right past it.
Oh, it's a starfish?
Right there.
Cool. Oh, whoa. Yeah, there's a starfish. I never seen
And there's
it
little
before.
tiny fish down there moving.
There's a little fish. You've never seen starfishes.
You never seen starfishes?
Yeah.
This is such an exciting day for you.
Oh, nice.
Is it alive?
I don't know.
It might be dead.
You see those anemones? They're like from Nemo. Oh, you made it just in time. Whew. Everybody smile. Wait, where's Renee? Renee, where are you? Oh, there you are. Smile. Levi, I can only see you scratch your butt. Did you make it to the top? You're so close. Good job, Renee. You made it. Whew. me. Oh, the sand is so hot. You gotta go fast. Think of how good the ocean's gonna feel. Oh my gosh. Go, Renee, go. Oh, my feet feel so much better. Oh. 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 From burning hot to freezing cold. Oh, there they come. There they come. Oh, oh, it feels so much better. What? You ready to go eat?
Yeah, but I also don't want to eat.
Why don't you want to eat?
Because I want to stay with the water.
Oh, you want to stay in the ocean. I see how it is. Woo!
We're not going in the car yet.
No, we have to put our shoes on because we're going in the restaurant.
How am I going to wash off my feet?
Levi, did you need some electrolytes?
My favorite is it?
It's citrus. Do you need some electrolytes, Autumn?
Yes, please.
I need
Is this a commercial that we're doing right now?
Yeah. Make sure you drink it just the right way so it looks good.
Wow. I feel refreshed.
It is pretty refreshing after climbing a sand dune.
And that isn't even a lie. It tastes great too.
Good job, Autumn.
Thank you. Money, please.
Time for lunch at the Pelican Pub. We always come here at least once when we're at the beach house. It's a tradition.
The one with the doggy?
The doggy?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, there's doggies there. They're sitting outside waiting for their food. It's too bad we don't have Izzy to be out here with us. The what? Oh, yeah. Look, there's like little signs. Oh, that's perfect. I'm good. Look at this dinner. I'm sharing my tri-tip with Levi. But I got a salad instead of mashed potatoes. And this looks, oh, I asked for blue cheese and it looks like a blue cheese vinaigrette. And that is some coleslaw. The kids are getting some ice cream at the little ice cream shop, and I'm walking across the street to the cafe to get a cup of coffee. After we got home from the sand dune, most of the kids wanted to go out to the beach again, and so they spent another couple of hours in the water, playing in the waves, playing in the sand. Levi was out with me for quite some time, and then he came and fell asleep on my lap while I'm sitting here editing a video. So we're just relaxing. It's about 5 o'clock now, and I'm not even the least bit hungry. I honestly wasn't super hungry when we went to lunch, but it was lunchtime, so I ate, and I am not hungry at all. The coffee was plenty to tide me over, so I'm just waiting until I get hungry before I have a, full second meal. And I don't even know what I'm gonna have, but it'll probably be leftovers because we still have some leftovers like steak and hot dogs. Still have more of that salsa that's really good that I had for my little snack or little breakfast this morning. So I might have some of that, but just having a lazy afternoon. We will be leaving tomorrow, so this is our last night tonight. So just trying to soak up the last bit of fun. First thing I had when I got hungry was a serving of cottage cheese. Then I just made myself a taco bowl from the leftover taco fixings that I had made the other night. Of course, I used some of the delicious salsa, some sour cream, and some black olives, and that made a great leftovers bowl. Then, as usual, we had a game night in the evening, and while we were playing games, I had a cup of decaf coffee with some cream and about half of a keto bar, the peanut butter flavor. That was my little end of the evening treat.
No, I don't have a penalty for wrong slaps. So.
Okay.
Oh, did I play the...
You played the queen.
Ow.
Oh.
Popo.
Oh my gosh, it goes yellow.
Ow. You had a killer.
Oh.
Should be negative points.
Yeah.
We have some penalty for bad slaps. Shame. We just
You
shamed
just slap every single time.
Bad!
You just slap every single time.